Everybody, Wilton Han over here. There's been a lot of noise lately about AI tools like ChatGPT, Cloud, Perplexity replacing Google. But the latest data shows totally a different story. So according to new research from a couple of very reputable large research firms, Datos, Spark, Toro, AI adoption has skyrocketed, of course, from just 8% in 2023 to 38% in 2025. So about 1 in 5 Americans now use AI tools like ChatGPT, Cloud, Copilot 10 or more times a month. So again, definitely adoption has gone up. But here's the kicker. 95% of Americans still rely on traditional search engine every month, and among these heavy AI users, their Google usage actually, right, went up. So what's going on here, right? Is an AI supposed to be replacing search? Turns out, not really. What we're seeing is that people use AI and search together, not one instead of the other. AI might help you brainstorm or summarize, right, ideas. But when it comes to fact checking, finding local businesses, right, still local business, most of you on here are local, right, business, local services, right, or digging deeper, search is still king. So what does this, right, mean for your business? Simple. Your visibility on Google still matters. In fact, as more people use AI to explore, they're following up with more searches to confirm, compare, or take action. So your website, right? So if your website isn't optimized for traditional search, especially local SEO, you're missing the moment. So if you want, right, help making sure your business stays visible across AI and search, reach out. Let me know if you have any questions.